In today's method we are not talking about affiliate marketing. You don't need any skills and you don't need any camera. In this tutorial I will be sharing free website by copy and pasting links that help you making free money online. If you want to learn more about this method, then stay tuned and watch till the end. Today I will show you how to get paid by simply copying and pasting links. You won't need a website for this, no camera or recording your face, and it's free to do. I will actually show you people that are doing the exact same thing and making thousands upon thousands of dollars passively, so stay tuned to find out how now. Just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications and notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so let's get started guys. As you can see, I am on Instagram. Now I will show you how to make money by using Instagram, but also several other platforms as well, and you won't need a single follower to be able to do this. Furthermore, as I said in the intro, I will actually show you people making money online in a similar fashion as you'll be doing, so keep watching and stay with me so you don't get confused or lost, and so you know exactly what to do. Now with that said, your very first step will be to create a brand new Instagram account. I won't go over that is to not prolong this video, and I'm sure that 99% of you watching this know how to create an Instagram account. Now once you create your account, you want to set it up accordingly in one particular need each, the make money online each, and I will explain why we're focusing on that nation in particular. But for now, what you need to do is find some nice photo either on Google Pixels or Pixabay, then you'll use as your profile picture, as I've done so myself. You will also want to set up your bio as well. As you can see, I wrote online business in the bio. You can write perhaps just business or online marketing, it doesn't make that much of a difference at all. And lastly, of course, you will want your username to be related to making money online. With all of that done, let me now show you a few pages on Instagram making some really decent money. Now all of these pages are in the fitness needs, but they still serve as excellent examples of how you can make money with Instagram. The first page is called Gym Memes Official, this one here is called Gym Touches, and this last one is called Fitness. Now do you know what all of these pages have in common? Well, they all have their own websites in their bio, as you can see, and it's through those websites that they're making money online. Now this is why we're not doing this in the fitness or any other needs for that matter, since in order to make money that way you will need your own website. But I will actually show you in this strategy how you can still earn money but without a website required whatsoever. Anyhow, check this out. This is the website from that very first page I showed you, and on here they're selling a bunch of stuff like t-shirts, pants, shorts, hoodies and so on. Apart from clothing, however, they also sell headgear, masks and other various items. The person who owns this website and also the meme page is making insane amounts of money. Just 1,000 out of those 1.7000000 followers buying a t-shirt would amount to $40,000 just like that. So this has insane potential, and all the other pages I showed you are doing the same thing and also making similar amounts of money. No, you won't need millions of followers in order to be able to earn a very decent amount of cash. In fact, just thousands would suffice, and I will show you exactly how to get followers with two different methods and how to create these posts, or if you don't want to repost from other people running a similar page to your own. Anyhow, with that out of the way, it's time for me to show you the second side we will be using, which is this one here called Mini.link. As the name suggests, this allows you to put all the links you want to share on one simple pretty page. This is a hugely beneficial platform many of you have probably never heard of before, since it allows us to put links of all our products in one place, and in just a moment I will show you how you can find links to copy and add on here. Anyhow, in order to be able to put any links on here, you need to click on Get Started Today here, and on the next page you just need to enter in your email address and type in your own custom link just below and click on Register to finish the process. Once done, you want to click on Go to your profile right here, and you'll be taken to the page where you will actually add all the links in question by clicking on Add Link right here. You should also add in a nice profile picture, and you want to write in your description something similar to what I have myself. And lastly, the link to this page that you will want to add in your Instagram bio is located just below. Now with your account created on here, it's time for me to show you a site from where you can get links to various products to promote. The site in question is one you might have heard about called WarriorPlus.com for those of Libyas. This is basically an affiliate marketplace where you can grab affiliate links to various products, and most of those products are in the make money online niche. This is exactly why we designed an Instagram page in that particular needs, since we don't need our own website in order to sell products and earn money. Now what you need to do first on here is click on free sign up in the upper right corner to create your own account. I will now log into my account so I can show you what needs to be done from there. When you log into your Wire Plus account, you now need to find affiliate offers. To do so, hover your mouse over affiliate here and click on offers just below. It's on the very next page where you can find thousands upon thousands of affiliate offers that you can promote, and you also have a bunch of data for all of them: the release date, the number of sales, conversion rate, visitor value, average sale price, and the refund rate. Now some of you may not know when all of this stands for exactly, so let me elaborate. The conversion rate is one of the most important bits of info when promoting an offer. It's the percentage of people that buy a product once taken to the product's sales page. A good conversion rate is generally around or above 10%, so you want to look for offers with the conversion rate at or above 10%. Now the next thing we have here is visitor value. This is basically total revenue divided by the amount of clicks. So if an offer gets 100 views and earns $100, then the visitor value is $1. The next thing we have is the average sales price, which is pretty self-explanatory. You would generally want to promote a product that costs around $30, since that is neither too expensive nor too cheap. Now the last thing we see here is the refund rates, and the refund rate is the percentage of total purchases who have asked for a refund. It's alongside the conversion rate. Very important, you'd want the refund rate to be 5% or lower. Now with all of that said, guys, you now want to find offers to promote. Try to find ones with a decent average sales price and a good conversion and refund rates. This money here, for example, called Profit Hub, is perfect. It has a very decent conversion rate of 14% and an amazing refund rate at just 1%. Now with that being said, when you find a few offers you want to promote, you want to open them up, then you need to click on request approval right here. So you will need to be approved before being eligible to get access to the affiliate link. What you will write in here, guys, is basically that you are experienced in affiliate marketing and you know how to get traffic to the link, something along those lines. 90% of the time you'll get approved. You don't need to be an expert for that to happen. Now once you get approved, you will need to paste in the links to the affiliate offers right here, as I've done so myself. In order to do so, just click on add link, then write the title of the link, which can be the same title of the product you are promoting, which in my case would be Profit Hub. Then just paste the affiliate link in here. And just a side note, I highly recommend you shorten the affiliate links using Bitly, since affiliate links tend to be quite long. In any case, what you need to do from here is copy and paste this link below onto your Instagram page, and whenever someone comes on your page, they will be able to click on this link and then access one of the many products you will be promoting. And since you have a page in the Make Money Online needs promoting Make Money Online sales products, chances are you'll be able to get a very decent number of sales. However, for that to happen, you need followers and posts. As far as posts are concerned, you have two options here: either repost them from some other similar pages or download them. All you gotta do is simply type in hashtag Make Money Online, then open up one of these posts that you like, copy the link, and then come over to downloadgram.com and post it to your PC before uploading it to your page. In case you want to create your own posts, which is what I would highly recommend since it adds originality, you can use other Make Money Online sites as inspiration. As I said, simply see how they create their posts, what they look like, and then try to replicate them as best as you can. To do that, you want to use a site called canva.com. This website is perfect in this case since it allows you to create Instagram posts with their editor for free and using thousands of templates for that purpose. The first thing you want to do on here is create an account by clicking on sign up in the upper right corner. Once done, all you need to do now is hover your mouse over templates and select Instagram post, then just pick any one of these you like, and when you do, you will be taken to the editor where for free you will be able to customize them however you wish and even add photos to. When done, just click on download in the upper right corner and then upload it to your Instagram page. As far as followers are concerned, I also have two methods for you. The first one is free but less effective, and the other is a paid method but far more worthwhile. If you want to do it for free, what you can do is either type in hashtag Make Money Online as before, or you can search and find other Make Money Online pages. Either way, what you will do from there is like other people's comments on those posts, follow them, follow all the people who have liked these posts. In this fashion you will end up in the notifications of those people, and since they are following a Make Money Online page, there is a huge chance they might follow you as well. What you can do if you find a big enough page is open up their followers by clicking here and just follow all of these people. This is arguably the best way since you can follow hundreds of people in a very short amount of time, and as I said, there's a huge chance they will follow you back once they see that you are running a very similar Instagram page. Now, in case you have a bit of money to spare, I highly recommend this site here called thepostearly.com. This will allow you for a very small amount of money to grow your Instagram page from scratch. By clicking on pricing here, you can see that they are not that expensive. This professional plan costs just $16 a month, and it will automatically send welcome DMs. It can repost from other pages and credit them. It can like comments, follow and unfollow people, and it can also like and comment on posts as well. All of these things you would otherwise have to do manually, but by using this you won't have to. And Think about this for a second. You can literally make thousands of dollars promoting those offers. 10 sales alone can earn you $300 or so with ease depending on the commissions. So paying a site like this just $16 a month doesn't sound so bad, now does it? Of course this is optional. You can also do it for free and you'd still be able to grow your page and earn money from there anyways. With that said, this is it for today's video guys. As always, if you like and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hello, to support my channel, and in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the stations and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll